Sparko stuff that I bought that was going to go into the race car. I'm now going to stick the Sparko gear knob onto the blue car. Pretty simple install, should take 15 to 30 minutes at the most, even if you don't know what you're doing. Normally you get everything you need in the kit and the instructions are good to go, so let's do it. Scissors. Okay, so now that we actually have some scissors to be able to cut with, pretty straightforward. So always cut along the edges just in case you need the packaging. Oh, that's got some serious weight to it. Billet aluminium, it's all drawn out, so that's pretty cool. Looks like it takes 3 Allen key holes, so I'm hoping I've got an Allen key in this little kit stuff. Nope, nothing in there. Aha! Look at that, Allen key, sweet. Okay, so this is like every gear knob pretty much that's aftermarket. Unless it's built specifically for your vehicle, it won't have a thread or anything on it. So what you normally get with it is a little 3-piece adapter like this. So you just pick the one that goes over to help you fit. You get some little screws and an Allen key to fix it on. Pretty straightforward and simple. And then it affixes in the 3 holes. Okay, so now we're in the car. It's pretty straightforward from there. The boot knob's actually attached in here. And honestly, the reason I've twisted it like that is just so I can have the Sparko logo facing me, because I'm the person going to be appreciating it in the vehicle. So, now you take that's it, easy done. Make sure you keep your Allen keys and things like that, throw them in your toolkit because they are invaluable, because I lose them left, right, center, and if you're like me, you're gonna lose them all the time. So now it's done, it's all installed, it's good to go. We're gonna take the car for a quick drive, see how it feels and how it feels going down the street. Easy done. Buckle up, safe. How do I explain it? It's got this aggressive feel to it, which makes it really good and easy to shift with. Yeah, oops. We'll see what happens to the heat, because quite often these things get very hot, and you need an oven mitt to drive with. And there you have it, a super easy install, really good, cool thing to do, a great way to customize your car for your own interests. I'll see you next time, toodaloo. Until next time, we'll see you later. Until next time. Oh, and there you have it, a super... Noise, more noise.